Okay, this is the notoriously hard to start Briggs & Stratton 7.25 horsepower engine. I've had it for years and years. You can get it to start after 20 pulls, but it doesn't have a choke, doesn't have a primer. Very hard to start. It's a 4-stroke lawnmower. Anyway, I'm not pulling it 20 or 30 times, but I can fix that with propane. Any engine that is flooded or won't start, this will work on it. So I'll show you. I'm not sitting there doing that all day. Propane, turn it on, obviously don't light it. In the air filter, you'll find the spot where the air filter draws air in. 5-10 seconds worth, depending. You'll find it's different for different motors. Works every time.